Today we're going to be installing the shovel head rocker box oil lines from Old Stuff. Shout out to Mike and Keith from Old Stuff for sending me this kit. It's going to look really nice with the rest of the brass stuff that I have on it. The lines are pre-bent and comes with all the necessary fittings to make the job pretty easy to install. And it comes with instructions as well. Also, this kit is made right here in America. The benefit of these lines is that it will get rid of the starving front head problem. For example, this is the original line. It feeds from the bottom, goes up, and from here into here. But with the new line, it feeds from the bottom in the center, goes up, and then evenly distribute the oil to both cylinders. Another benefit is that it feeds oil from the cooler intake side into the cylinder rather than from the hotter exhaust side. If you guys are wondering, this is called the B-blocker and it's made by Old Stuff as well. I've been running this for a few years now and I love it. First, you want to install these two rocker fittings. Make sure to apply thread sealing as well, and only on the NPT side. Next, we're going to install the straight case fitting. Make sure to use the thread sealing as well too. Next, we're going to be plugging up the upper rear cylinder. The cool thing about the plug is that it's a flush mount against the rocker box, so you can't see it. Bam! So now that we have the fittings on, we're gonna install the lines. You want to start with the upper rocker lines first and thread in only about halfway. Next, you want to install the lower T fitting. Now you want to install the lower line. The short 90-degree bend goes to the case, and this one go to the upper line. Just finished with the install. Check that out. Ooh wee. Looks good. Now we're gonna start the bike and see if there's any leaks. So before, my throttle housing would get stuck, But after I switched to Speed Dealer, check out the throttle response. This is why you should buy American made products. Quality. Look at that. So nice, dude. That's it for today's video. What do you guys think of the new oil lines? And thanks again to Keith and Mike for sending me this kit. I love it. Can't wait to put some miles on this baby. See you guys next time.